Welcome to the mix, and on the mix we have Dwayne. Now, Dwayne is talking about his hair, how he's doing his hair, and he's saying that people that are planning to grow their hair in their 40s, they're facing a midlife crisis. Now, he's saying that men who try to grow their hair at that time is facing a midlife crisis and should just not bother with it. So, just check out this video and please remember to like, share, subscribe, and comment on the channel. And do not forget to hit that notification bell so that whenever I post, you know. Have a wonderful, wonderful day.
Hey people, I could understand, right? I could understand. Hey, on the lucky, guy, my burger, on lucky. Well, on the time next time, soon come to. Thank you. Hey, imagine, right? Imagine being in your 40s, going on 50s. I'm let me go here. Move fast. I go to a middle age crisis, big time middle age crisis. Accept it. On a all fall, I'm gonna put on the ear and go and praise the Lord. Go and praise the Lord. You understand? Hey, talk time with no, not all that uno. Not all that uno. Enough for the man them, me chat. Enough for the man them. A lot of the man them who want to put in extra. Go sit down. Go and sit down. Go sit down. Me soon come make me eat my burger. Me soon come. What I make? Hold it. Hold it. One to the seven. One to the seven. All right, listen. Make a go down in there. Make a go down in there. Backside. What up? Make a go down there. What up? Listen. Fun and joke aside. Not few people out there, right? Who I put it on the extension and whatever. Right, go sit down. Go and sit down. Understand? An hour. Middle age crisis. Middle age crisis.
The surveyors and the architects. So they're currently working.
Middle age crisis.
And it looks like probably going to go for 3 properties.
We're going to go to a middle age crisis. Hey.
And this one, as they say,
Huh?
it's in October. Yeah.
It's like your burger.
We've got 3 new properties in its place.
Wow.
All right.
So,
Hold on.
talk me through the economies of that, because you could probably get at least one house on the plot at the side, couldn't you?
Could give you the potential figures if you would.
Yes, I would love to hear the potential figures.
So we bought this for 600.
Eating time.
900,000 to then develop it. So we're up to about 1.5 million then.
And that includes knocking it down.
Knocking it down, everything. So now we're at 1.5, and then you've got 3 detached properties, 3 floor properties, 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. That sort of
I know I have nice here.
775.
And that's enough for them follow me about them want to have here.
2 million back in. So hopefully.
Man, I understand what them son of.
Profit of 500,000.
And that trio of proposed
And-
bed houses
and for the fashion.
floors will look similar to other
And enough for them are all fall.
And Stephen's pointy head
Before they go slung.
at quite advanced stages with the plans.
And God praise
He
God.
will be able to submit them to the planning authority in the next couple
I'm going to give them life to the Lord.
All Stephen and Kate can do
Boy, they want to have ear. And the ear not make no sense.
Things end up in some kind of a compromise. Is there a nightmare compromise for you?
A nightmare scenario, if you like, should all things being equal be a break-even situation, whereby, as it were, we do up this house and then we just come out of it cleaning our faces at that. Plan A, 3 houses. Plan B, 2 houses. Plan C is we just renovate this and walk away. Either one, we should make money. So there's not really, hopefully, a nightmare scenario.
Right. So, Kate, are you involved in the process?
Go close your front
You're
and stop the old man them in there. And that you for do.
Nice jobs, and I try to stop him being too tight on the budget.
too tight. Yeah. You're actually not reining it in.
No. He says buy a kitchen for £100.
This is true. This is true.
So I have to persuade
Open me eyes, them, let me see when.
You're not putting a cheap and nasty, are you?
my talent.
Yeah, well, yeah, you're not going to listen to that, Stephen. It's absolutely
I do.
on the money. So, what about sort of timescale and all this?
Timescale, we've got about 3 months worth of planning from now, and following that we'll be breaking ground. So I would imagine we'll be fully breaking
I mean-
It'll take a bit of contingency 4 or 5 months from there.
And then the build time?
The build would probably take
When
18
I'm-
months from start to finish. Obviously
When it's my turn to sit down, I'm gonna sit down.
cash flow, but I would imagine 18
I promise you. When it's my turn to sit down, I am going to sit down.
Good luck with this. And hopefully we'll be back
No word of a lie.
with 3 beautiful properties on the go.
But I'm not there yet. I'm not there yet. So all of the old folk will go and see them young. Go sit down with the fathers here. Go sit down with the fathers here.
With some very
With fathers here I go.
plans for this
Watch here.
property.
Watch here. Sit here there. Watch here. Watch here. Watch here. Watch here.
Is gonna go to be replaced by 3
Watch here.
new
Watch here.
houses.
Watch
What's
here.
the numbers? You know, how much more is it going to cost to build those
It's
extras?
here. On the sit here. On the sit here. On the sit here. That's here. That's here. 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 Pussy here. 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 Pussy here. 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 Pussy here. Hey, my God, yeah, man, my God, my God. Hey, Sophie Dunkley. I heard you was looking for me. But Sophie, if you see this live, wagwan, go down you, wagwan. Sophie, I am where? You asked the person about me. If you want to pull up, you know what to find me.
With a guide price of £63,000. Its position on a busy main road.
The time is, where is the clock?
Big issue,
The clock is over there.
particularly the house.
That stained glass window is beautiful, but for good modern living, you got
It's off. It's the 12. It's minutes to 12 here in Great Britain. Minutes to 12 here in Great Britain. Okay. Listen. In the morning, I don't like to eat. Sometimes, only sometimes.
hoping it was going to be.
Bye, good girl, Keisha. Make up yourself.
That says to me straight away, it's going to be hard to get a mortgage on this property because there's no kitchen.
It was bought at auction for £88,000 by Wayne and Kitchen.
Hey, talk to girl. Talk to. None of them don't even have no edges. Watch edges.
3-bed HMO. Take out
Watch edges. Edges.
rooms into 2
Edges.
ensuite.
Hey, my God. Now go wash me. I'm gone. Bye. All right, bye. Bye, yeah. Bye.